Hi everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about who is responsible for minor maintenance. We get this question all the time from realtors and landlords because they seem to be under the impression that if the maintenance is a minor issue, such as furnace filters that need to be replaced or light bulbs that need to be changed, that should fall on the tenant. And that's not the case because maintenance, no matter if it's major or minor, in accordance to Section 20 of the Residential Tenancies Act, is the responsibility of the landlord. The most common maintenance issues that landlords and tenants are in dispute about at the time that the lease is signed is often snow removal or grass cutting. A landlord is responsible for snow removal or grass cutting, even if the parties agreed that the tenant undertake that responsibility in the lease agreement. Because any clauses or terms, even if they're agreed upon in the lease agreement, that are contradictory to the Residential Tenancies Act are automatically void and unenforceable. The Residential Tenancies Act doesn't make direct reference as to who's responsible for grass cutting and maintenance, but it does say that the landlord is responsible to maintain and repair. And grass cutting and snow removal and changing of light bulbs and furnace filters, these are all fall under that section of the act, and therefore the landlord is responsible to maintain. If the tenant wants to undertake that responsibility and shovel the snow or cut the grass, a separate agreement must be drafted separate from the lease agreement between the landlord and tenant, and the landlord would have to hire the tenant and pay for that service for the tenant to undertake. If the landlord does not attend to maintenance or repairs that the tenant has requested, a tenant can file a T6 application for maintenance through the Landlord and Tenant Board and request remedies such as a rent abatement, an order to repair, an order or fine to be paid into the board, or any further compensation. So if you're a landlord and your tenant asks you to do a maintenance or repair request, definitely investigate and do that repair. If you have any questions regarding repairs, call us first.